This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Decidedly special one-story home west/approx 3,800 square feet on 1.32 acre lot, perfect for indoor, outdoor living, whatever your interests. Large rooms and logical floor plan provide great setting for quiet living and parties too. Lots of updates through the years by loving owners. 4 large bedrooms. 3.5 baths. Spacious living room, with vaulted ceiling and stone fireplace, overlooks patio and deep rear yard. Large dining room, den and kitchen too. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.